Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new smart map on iRobot Roomba i4. And to do this you will need to pair your robot with iRobot app. I've shown you previously on how to do it. Now let's click on the map button right here. Then you can either click on create new smart map or on this plus button right there. We need to place our robot into the charging station to get started and also make sure that it has a battery charge. Then go to the next and your robot should go on the mapping run. But in this case it's on the table, so it won't make that mapping run, but if you place it on the floor and inside the room, it should map the entire room. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.